So today I'm going to make a vegan tofu soup. It's really yummy. It's a really nutritious, healthy soup. It's cheap, and if you're a single mum like me with 4 children, you want meals that are quick and easy to prepare, but also good for the health. This meal literally takes about 5 minutes to throw together. So I hope you enjoy the video. Let's crack on. So this is the tofu that we're using today. This is the Cauldron authentic tofu. It's quite a nice one. I think it was around £2.50, something like that. Let's drain the tofu. And then we need to press it. So just give it a pat down, get some of the excess moisture off. The more you get off, the better. So I usually leave it there for 5 or 10 minutes before I continue. Now we just need to chop this up. I usually chop it thin, but it's just personal choice. So now just give it a bit more of a press down. Just try and get off as much of, oh, that noise is annoying. Get off as much of the liquid as possible. So I'll just add all the tofu. Nice big spoon of that. Just put that in there like that. Just gives it a really good flavour. I put it in a lot of stuff. I don't bother taking the skin off, just take off the few bad bits and then chop. Why waste the skin? Now add some potatoes. Some cabbage that I chopped earlier. Might need a little bit more in that. Oops, I'm throwing potatoes around the room. Some garlic granules. Some mixed herbs. Some white pepper. 2 of these stock cubes, really nice flavour. Just throw that in there. So 4 of the vegetable stock cubes. A tin of 5 beans. Give it a nice good stir. Spinach. This will be really good when it's cooked. It is a really tasty, quick and easy meal to make. And the beauty of soup is you can put in whatever you want. Love it. Just tasted it, and the only thing I'm going to add is just a tiny little bit of salt if it comes out. There we go. Not too much, just a little bit. Right, give that about 5 minutes now to boil away, and then we'll be ready to dish up. So here we are, it's ready. Time to dish up. And this has probably cost about £5 at the most to make this big pan of soup, and there's quite a lot of portions here, and it's a nice healthy meal. there we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you for the next one.